Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be opening Tokidoki. Okay, so your girl has gotten into Tokidoki because we have a store in Pembroke Lakes Mall that has a bunch of Tokidoki and I've been wanting to collect them for a long time. My holy grail doll is a Tokidoki doll and this is just the first step of collecting these. And I think they're so cute, and I watched a lot of reviews of unboxing blind boxes, and I always think that Tokidoki is the cutest thing ever. So yeah, so this is different ones. I got about, let me see, I have 6, and then I have this other thing that's different. It's called Sario characters. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below, but I thought they were so cute. It reminds me of Hello Kitty. And I really like this style. And I like that kawaii, I think that's how you say it, style. And they're so cute, you know. So I was thinking to put some of these characters on my shelf, like as a little in front of my collection, as colorful little like unicorns. Pretty much this is what they look like, unicorns, you know. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so let's open the first box. So the first box is called Delicious Unicorno. I think it's based off of dessert. So these are the different ones you can get out of the pack. I hope you guys can read that. One says Aloha Corno. The other one says Cup Corno. The other one says 14 carats with a K. And then one says Delicious Berry, Gelato, Sprinkle, Rainbow Delight. And there's a Chaser, which is the mystery one. So you know, I'm not gonna choose favorites, but I would like sprinkles. Oh, there's one named Sprinkles. I don't know if I mentioned it. Or Delicious Berry or Aloha Corner. I like them all actually. The carrot cake, but like the rest of them, I really think they're super cute. So let's see what we got. Let's open this up. All right, so the packaging is like this silver packaging. And I hope you guys had a good Christmas. I couldn't finish Vlogmas because I got kind of sick. I'm still kind of coughing now. You know, I'm holding it in and like pausing as I have to cough. But I'm getting slightly better. So, and plus during the holidays, this is a little rough because my mom passed away about a year or two ago. So, you know, I'm still dealing with that. But other than that, I had a really good Christmas. And I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and had a great time with your family and friends. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let me grab some scissors. Let's see. Why did I end up with the carrot cake? So I got the carrot cake one. So this one is 14 carat. It's really cute. I love how it has like the cake details on both sides. It has frosting. It's so cute and has little carrots. And then I like the back how it's made. It's so cute. And this is the most adorable thing ever. Like, look at the little frosting on the... Then there's little bows that are green. So cute. I love this. I'm going to go ahead and sit this somewhere in my dollhouse. I'm going to sit it right up here. So cute. Let's move on to the next one. So I did get another one. Because with blind boxes, sometimes if I really like the characters, I will get more than just one. So let's see what we got on this one. So this one feels a little different. So let's see what we got. Alright, let's see. It's so cute. Oh my god, look how cute that is. That's so precious. Okay, so this one is Cup Corno. It's actually one of the ones I wanted. This one and Gelatino. So cute. Oh, and if you live in the Miami area, if you're interested in Tokidoki, this is the store that I got it from. And yeah, so it's so cute. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the... Wow, look at the sprinkles and the icing. Fun fact, I went to culinary school. This is the first degree that I had got straight out of school. If you guys didn't know, now you know. So like things like this that are like food related, it gets me excited, you know. And I love how it has a little Tokidoki symbol on the wrapping paper for the cupcake. And I love how the unicorn's a strawberry. It looks like it has chocolate sauce on it. And it's so cute with the stars and hearts. And I absolutely love this. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so our next Tokidoki series we're gonna open is a Tokidoki Unicorno Metallico San Diego. So I got 2 of these and it's so cute. These are different ones you can get in the back as well. One is Yuma, one is Yuki, there's a chaser, one says Hakari, and then there's 2 chasers actually, and one's named Lily, Can, Ruby, Cornito. There's one named Paulina, Sarina, Cremino. So that's the last one on here. I'm hoping for probably a chaser. I don't want to say what other one I want, because last time I ended up getting the one that I least like. I mean, I like it, it's cute, but I did end up with one that I did like, so that's why I always buy 2 sometimes. So let's see what we got. Let's go ahead and open it up. So these are oh wait, how? No way, no way. Also, I got Can. So this is Can. So cute. I love the metallic. Super cute. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about Tokidoki. If you guys think it's cute, put a little unicorn in the comment section so I know you like this. So it's so cute. Look at this. Oh my god, this part right here feels like felt. Very nice. I love this. I can't wait to put this in my display in front of like all my dolls. Just so cute. This is really cute. I love stuff like this. Oh man, I'm going back for more later. And look at the hair, how it's like translucent, and it shows like blue, purple, and orange and gold, and it has wings. It reminds me of Hercules a little bit. And I like how the hooves are like different colors. I think that's so cool. And look at this detailing on the side for like I think it's called the rings, where you have that around. And it's so cute. And I love unicorns. One thing about me, I love unicorns, Barbie, unicorn, everything. You know, so super cute. I'm gonna lay that one up there. And then of course, I got another one, because when I really like something, I get 2. The only one that I didn't get a double of was this one, because this one was pretty expensive. Well, not like expensive, it was like $16. The rest were 10. So let's see what we got here in this one. And guys, let me know what you guys got for Christmas. Drop it in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you guys got, you know, because you guys are my friends and I love talking to you guys in the comment section. And you guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I can never thank you guys enough, I feel, because, you know, I love having this little community we have on my channel. And I really do appreciate you guys. Okay, so this is what we got. It's a mermaid. It's a mermaid. Look at the mermaid. Okay. Calm down, Katrina. Calm down. Let's see what the mermaid is. So this is Serena. She looks so precious. You see the pearl necklace on her? She's so precious. And then she has one thing. I do love mermaids too. Unicorns and mermaids. So cute. I got the Brooklyn mermaid. Well, this is not doll related. This is more so like little like figurines. That's how you say it. Like, but I love unicorns, and mermaid is coming up next year. So I love that I have this. I would incorporate it into my mermaid like photography. I love it. So look how cute is this. And then you see the hair is like a see-through metallic, and then like it has a pink unicorn horn. My favorite color is pink. So it has yellow, and it has purple, orange, and it has like a baby pink. And I love how the wings are see-through as well, and it has like a little hook right here, and then the scales that go up to the fin right here. So cute. And the hoof right here in the front is blue, and the other side has a pink star. I think she's so adorable. I'm thinking she's a she. Sorry if I get it wrong, but I just think this is very adorable. So let's open the next one. So the next one is this one right here. So I got one of these right here. These are the only ones I didn't get doubles of. So let's see what we got. Let's see what this one is. So speaking of mermaids, the next one is Mermicorno, which is funny because we just got a mermaid, which I love it. And then on the side, I'm about to forget which ones we can get. So we can get Sailor, we can get Bianca, we can get Jelly Star, We can get Sachelis, I think that's how you say it. We could get Fortuna. We could get some Mario, Unicorno. It still say Unicorno, it's black. And then there's another one called Jade. So these are the different ones. You can't really see it because it's a clear packaging. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Open this up. Let's see. Oh, I got the hand over the black one. So I love this. I think this is so cool. It's giving very much punk unicorn, like rocker vibes for me. And it's so beautiful. Look at that. And I love the silver and gold detailing on this unicorn mermaid or mermicorn. And it's so cute. And look at the spikes. So pretty. And it has a little bit of glitter right here on the side. And then this is the other side right here. I love the symbol right here. It looks very nice. It's a reef. It's actually a reef. It's not a symbol. Really cool. Love that. And then they have like a little bit of purple detailing in the fin. So cute. And an earring right here. I think that's so cute because I have little earrings. I love that. That's so adorable. So let's move on to the next one. And look at the necklace before we go. Oh, and there's an emblem in the front. And that is the Tokidoki sign. Super cute. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so for our last Tokidoki, we do have this one right here, but it's not Tokidoki. It is what's it called? Sario characters. I feel like it's related to Hello Kitty. If it is, let me know in the comments down below so I would know for sure. But I don't want to say, because I remember when I was younger, my mom has an aunt that was around the same age as her, and when she came to Miami, she bought me a backpack from a store that was named the Sario characters, and it had like Hello Kitty based things. So let me know if that's a thing, okay? Like teacher girl, you know. So this right here is Tokidoki best friend. So I got one of these because this one was like one of the ones that were up there. So let's see what we can get. It doesn't show the different varieties. It did show like on the main box, but it doesn't show right here. So let's open this up. Maybe it has a collector's guide. Yeah, so it has a card. So it says pony. So hold on, let me see if it opens up. No, it just comes with a card that says pony. So it says best friends, it says Tokidoki symbol, and it says pony. So it's this pony because it's so cute. Alright, so let's open it up. It comes in a white paper this time. We're gonna go ahead and open it. There's a little tab right here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so whatever you're gonna call. Oh my. Look how cute this is. Oh my god. I love pastel colors. Like I told you, I like the kawaii. This is so kawaii to me. Like, oh my god, so cute. If you had a Kelsey doll, this would be such a cute little rocker for little baby dolls. I get so like, I think it's the cutest thing ever when they have like little kids on, like the little kid dolls for like adults that have kids that take doll photography, and they take a picture of their family with little Kelly dolls or Kelsey dolls. So cute and adorable. And this is really cute. Like this can actually be used in a Kelsey room or so. If you do doll photography, it'll be really cute, like for a family theme thing. But yeah, besides doll related stuff, this actually comes with little screws. These are all screws on the Tokidoki figure, and it has little handlebars, and it does rock, and it has like this pastel blue. The horn is pastel blue. The hair is completely pastel pink. Absolutely love it. This has to be one of my favorites today. One of my favorites. I do like some of the other ones. So yeah, so it does give away what you're getting because it shows in the card. So I'm gonna keep the card, so when I get more I could collect the cards and have the cards together in like a folder that where I keep all my doll stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit that up there where you go rock up there. And then let's open this right here, the Sario characters. So this is what you can get. I don't even know how you can even pronounce these. The writing is so little, but these are the characters you can get in the back, guys. Guys, I'm sorry, I cannot read this. It's too small. But hopefully I get one of the cutie ones, and I can't wait to see which one I got. Maybe it might come with a card so I can see which one I have already. Oh, it comes with a card. Why is it? I'm going to put the card to the side because I don't want to see what I got. So, let's be surprised. Oh, it feels a little heavy. It feels very heavy. This has weight to it. Let's see. Oh, I got a pink one. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, like a little Easter bunny. I love you. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. This is just so cute. And it's flocked. I love flocks. I love flock like plushies and toys are flocked. And this thing is completely flocked. This is like Hello Kitty, so. Yeah. Look at the bow right here and the details in the ear. And it's a little Easter egg feet. Like, how can you deny that? So adorable. Absolutely love this. I love this. I really do. It's the little things for me. Like, for me, I'm not, like, it takes the smallest things to make me happy. Because, you know, like, I just find joy in the little things. Let me know in the comments below if you're the same. But I just do, you know? And, okay, so that's pretty much it for all my buys that I bought from this store right here in the mall, in Premier Lakes Mall. And for Tokidoki, and for the other brand, which is the Sario characters, and this is the rabbit series, so I guess it's different rabbits. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any of these. If you guys, what's your favorite Tokidoki series? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram if you want to see my doll photography, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And also, thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I know that I'm supposed to continue my dollhouse series, but Amazon has been very slow with their deliveries. So once I get my, I'm looking for like my brick wallpaper. Once I get my brick paper, because the brick paper is very important for the next step that we're about to do. Once that comes, then I'm definitely going to be filming and finishing up the deck part for the dollhouse, which is in this corner right here. So see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a happy New Year's. I'll probably record before New Year's, but if not, have a happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.